Hey, this is the Supercharger I'd really like to get for my 2019 Chrysler 300 Sport. It would really put that vehicle and engine over the top. It's a root style supercharger. It'll give around 400 crank horsepower and over 400 pound-feet of torque easily at the crank and high 300s at the wheels. It's quite an impressive supercharger kit. So what they're saying here, this 3.8 or 3.6 Pentestar V6 makes 246 wheel horsepower from the factory, and it'll take it to 338 wheel horsepower, which is quite a bit, and take it from 225 pound-feet of torque at the wheel stock to 308 pound-feet. So, and all that power will come right off the line with the supercharger vice a turbo, where it takes a while to kick in. The supercharger will kick in right away, and this comes with the whole kit. So I need to raise $5,495 so I can get this supercharger kit, put it on the 300, and show everybody here just the potential of these Chrysler 300s once you boost them up with some performance. Because that hungry dual overhead cam 4-valve per cylinder V6 has a lot of potential. Just need to boost it with some forced air, and this supercharger kit is the ultimate. Goes right on top, replaces the intake manifold. Definitely something I really like. That's how it looks in the engine compartment. See? Totally replaces that ugly plastic intake manifold and adds a bunch of power and torque. And I'm sure it'll add fuel economy because I won't be pushing my gas pedal as far to get rapid response. So, alright, I'm going to put my PayPal email address up there. So anybody that feels like donating to the Supercharged 300 SRT6 Foundation, please feel free to donate. And if we can raise that $5,495, or just call it $5,500, I will make a video on showing how it's installed and show all the results, including drag racing at the track. We'll see this nice little innocent V6 walk all over other vehicles, plus that advantage of all-wheel drive with supercharged power should net one fast car at the drag strips and all the street and strip and everything. So please feel free to donate some money and we can make this a reality. Yeah, $5,500 is a lot to raise up, so I mean, if everybody pitched in a little bit, it's a lot of money, but if we can get a lot of support on this, I can show you how this Chrysler 300 is going to do, and we'll have some fun with it. Alright, well, thanks again for watching Mad Boosting, and have a great day.